Is Hisense Smart TV Android? Yes, many Hisense Smart TVs run on the Android TV platform, but not all models do. Hisense offers a variety of smart TVs with different operating systems depending on the model and region. For instance, some Hisense TVs use Android TV, which provides access to the Google Play Store, popular streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, and voice control via Google Assistant. This makes it a versatile option for users who want a customizable and feature-rich smart TV experience. On the other hand, certain Hisense models come with their proprietary VIDAA U operating system, which is simpler and more streamlined, focusing on ease of use and essential apps. VIDAA U is lightweight and great for basic streaming needs without unnecessary complexity. Before purchasing, check the specifications of the specific Hisense model to confirm whether it runs on Android TV or VIDAA U. Both systems are reliable, but your choice will depend on your preference for features and usability. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.